Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Did you know that up to 70% of the people who visit your site never come back? But with OptinMonster's full-screen campaigns, you can grab your visitors' attention with a targeted message to reduce abandonment and build your email list. Our full-screen campaigns help visitors connect with and remember your brand. For example, you can present a targeted offer, showcase new products and services, highlight your best content, point visitors to your social media, or collect email subscribers as part of a pre-launch phase. OptinMonster includes visually stunning, professionally designed templates that are proven to get excellent results. You can quickly customize any of these templates or use the Canvas option to build your campaign from scratch. Using our easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder, it only takes a matter of minutes to build and customize elements such as images, text, countdown timers, buttons, and much more. Timing is everything when it comes to maximizing the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. That's why OptinMonster's display rules give you the flexibility to create rule sets that are as simple or as complex as you need, ensuring that you get the right offer in front of the right people at exactly the right time. Some examples of full-screen campaign implementations include a targeted welcome gate using our referrer detection technology, an interstitial ad, and, when paired with our exit intent technology, an exit gate. The best part is, OptinMonster works on all types of websites, and we have integrations with all the major email marketing service providers. So, are you ready to boost email subscriber numbers and increase conversions with full-screen campaigns? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.